This episode is brought to you by Progressive Insurance. Do you ever think about switching insurance companies to see if you could save some cash? Progressive makes it easy. Just drop in some details about yourself and see if you're eligible to save money when you bundle your home and auto policies. The process only takes minutes, and it could mean hundreds more in your pocket. Visit Progressive.com after this episode to see if you could save. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company and Affiliates. Potential savings will vary. Not available in all states.
You're on the best of the Morning X. If you keep listening, it might make sense. 99X.
Hey, Crash.
Yeah.
You guys are going to freak out in this story. Now, I'm going to try and get the facts in the right order because there are so many of them. This is the most random story. I went over to the in-laws' home yesterday and I arrived, and there were tons of cop cars. And I was like, your first thought is, oh my God, what happened? It turns out they were at the neighbor's house. So the neighbor, who I'm not going to say their name, the wife was hanging out in the house doing some stuff during the day. It was about 3 o'clock. Hanging out, just taking care of some business, whatever. Goes upstairs, was cleaning out some stuff and looking for this certain thing. She goes up to this guest bedroom where she keeps a lot of stuff in this closet. And she goes and she goes to open the door, and the door's locked. And she's at home alone. Her husband's at work. She's like, that's weird. The door's locked. The guest bedroom. So she calls her husband, hey, did you lock the guest bedroom door for any reason? No. Why? That's weird, because the door's locked. So she goes back up there, and it's real quiet in the house. There's nothing on. She listens, and she hears somebody snoring in the guest bedroom. So, are you with me so far? She's hanging out at home.
It almost sounds like an urban legend being born.
This is 100% fact.
Okay.
This happened yesterday. So they're in there, and she says, man, either I'm hearing things or there's somebody snoring. So she goes and talks to her neighbor who happens to be outside and says, hey, come here. I want you to tell me if I'm not hearing things. Do you hear somebody snoring in this door? She's trying to get the door open, and the lady goes up with her, and she says, yeah, somebody is snoring. So they don't know what to do. They call the police. Police come over. Leslie's looking at me like I'm making this up.
I am looking at you like if this were me, I would have immediately called the police.
What would you done?
I would have called the police immediately.
Oh, big time.
I would have freaked out.
Well, if I'm the person that's in there, I would have woken up.
The person in the closet,
exactly.
exactly.
No, they're in the bedroom, somewhere in the bedroom.
Okay.
So the police come, they go upstairs, and they do whatever they do to get the door open. They open it up, and there is this Spanish woman asleep in the guest room bed.
What?
Dressed kind of with kind of old clothes, just kind of, I don't know where she came from.
Not dressed in Brad Pitt's clothes.
No, not in Brad Pitt's clothes.
Okay.
But she somehow got in the house, was asleep in the guest bedroom, completely just sacked out. They wake her up, they shake her and wake her up, and she said she was there to visit her dad.
Her dad?
Her dad. And this lady's freaking out. She's going, well, our kids are young, they're at school, whatever.
We don't know who you are.
So the police, they handcuff her, they take her outside.
Oh, no.
And they didn't notice she had a Macy's bag with her that had all of her stuff in it, and it was still in the bedroom. So they go outside, and they're questioning the lady, and she says, yeah, she gave the address of the house, said, I'm here to visit my dad, I'm just here for a little while. Goes on and on and on. The police are just looking at her like, no, you're not. You're under arrest, trespassing, whatever.
And she just must have just walked into the house.
Well, so they haul her in, and then turns out they go back in the guest room and they find this bag that had her purse in it.
The Macy's bag.
The Macy's bag. This woman, in 1940, lived in that house.
Whoa.
In
Hello.
1940, she has been in an asylum, broke out, went to visit her parents.
Oh, my God.
Who lived in that house through 1960-something.
Whoa.
Showed up, just got in the bed and went to sleep.
And
This is chilling.
And her keys still fit.
No. She just walked in. The woman was home and the door was unlocked or whatever.
And she just went upstairs and went to bed.
Just went upstairs and went to sleep.
This is an episode of The Twilight Zone.
So she was a schizophrenic who escaped from wherever they keep schizophrenics.
Some home here, some asylum
some
here.
home,
Institute.
and she hasn't been out in, whenever. And the last place where she lived was this house, and apparently it was in the mid 60s. I guess she was apparently a teenager at the time. So if she was born in the 40s, 50, maybe she was born late 40s, but her driver's license in her purse still had that address on it from the 60s.
This is so bizarre.
Her driver's license.
See, now I wake up in a lot of strange bedrooms, but that's
Man,
that's wild.
what would you do?
Well, your first thought is that someone has it's a break-in. Someone's broken into your home.
Came back to see
That is so strange.
Came back to see mommy and daddy.
The best of the Morning X with Barnes, Leslie, and Jimmy. 99X.
Start your day with America in the Morning.
I'm John Trout, your host.
From breaking news.
The U.S. Supreme Court with rulings shifting gears. Apple has released a new iPhone. Here's the Wednesday Business Report. It's far from a seller's market.
To politics and entertainment.
Moving into scary movie season, so why not another Conjuring movie? Shifting gears, Powerball jackpot is now the third largest ever in history.
Live long and prosper.
America in the Morning.
Fresh each day.
Follow and listen on your favorite platform.